when you fail, and reminding yourself that you are still worthy of even on the worst days. Tang ining manok yan. Oh. Self-respect, on the other hand, is knowing your value. It is setting boundaries. It is walking away from the situations that hurt you. It is choosing peace over providing a point. When you respect yourself, you don't beg for attention, love, or validation. Because you understand that you deserve that genuine care. The truth is, how we treat ourselves teaches others how to treat us. If we constantly lower our standard just to be accepted, we slowly lose ourselves. But when we stand firm in our worth, we attract the right people and the opportunities into our lives. I'm begging you to pay attention. Ay, sorry, Carson, why? Why, Carson? Ay, hala. Wait lang, guys. Why, Carson? Wonderful speech, diba? Pero hindi pa yun tapos. Oh, thank you, Carson. Yay. What do you need to say, Carson? Are you saying something? You was joking. I was practicing my speech, guys, for upcoming finals. Why? Actually, guys, you need to love yourself, respect yourself. If you think, someone is not treating you right, then just leave. Don't force others to treat you. Kasi if you find the right one, that right one will not, you cannot beg for that attention. Kasi kusa nila ibibigay yun sa inyo, guys. So, wag kayong maging wag kayong TNGA sa love. You're begging for my attention. Oh, andito na ako, guys. Wag kayong tatanga-tanga sa pag-ibig, guys, ha? I swear. Kasi kung gusto niyo makahanap ng right person, kusang dadating yan, eh. Hi, Abby. Gagalitan ko kayo. Wala na si Carson, lumayas na siya. Ikaw, Ken. Abby, naglayos na ang bebe girl ko. Hoy, Ken, Otlom, kayo, baka T and J kayo sa love, ha? Uy. Guys, wag ganun. Ayu is here. Yeah, Ayu is here. Here. Oh, that's nice. Don't be so stupid when it comes to love. Okay lang maging single kayo for years. Ako nga, single na for years. Wala akong reklamo. Kasi kung ang true love, dadating yan, guys. Just wait for it. Okay. Sa ulo ko na yung dalawang paragraph. That's okay, Otlong. The right person will come. Mamaya, hindi mo alam na sa, Bigo. Or baka sa Bigo talaga, Otlom. May crush ka ba sa Bigo, Otlom? Yeah, no need to rush. Dadating at dadating yan, guys. I'm saying that. And never beg for attention. Never beg for love, okay? Kasi suntukin ko kayo. Hi, Mario. Hi, boxing. You want us to boxing? Magaling ako mong suntok. Okay. At ito na. Anuhin ko na siya. Tawag dito. Si Musang to? Musang. Oo, na-remember ko. Si Musang. Bakit iba na ang account na gamit mo? Ha? Wait lang si Adi. Hi, maka-in love. Si Musang ka talaga? Totoo?